Logitech G325 Lightspeed, my new go-to headphones. Well, bukod kasi sa gaming, you can use this as your daily headphones. As in, pinagsama yung gaming, yung static. Aside from plug and play na lang, Lightspeed. Personally, sobrang dali na lang mag-switch from chillin, like listening music, into gaming, mapa-PC, console, or mobile phone. Thanks to its wireless connectivity, less hassle na wala ng wire. Wait, paano naging pang gaming yan wireless? Don't worry guys, it's 2026. Syempre, it comes with this USB dongle na may Lightspeed technology. Kaya walang delay mapa-FPS games or kompe man yung nilalaro mo. Still supported the Logitech G Hub application, and up to 30 meters range without losing the quality. And speaking of quality, comparing to my G321 Lightspeed, mas malakas yung sound and mas immersive yung bass. Well, mas mahal lang ng konti but still on a budget side. For its build and design, it weighs 212 grams, still lightweight pero premium pa din. Mapapansin mo naman yan, first touch pa lang lalo pag sinuot mo. Breathable mesh material, hindi makate, hindi mainit, any type or shape ng head kasya, parang design talaga para sa'yo. And kung mapapansin nyo, wala siyang mic, diyan ka nagkakamali. Salamat sa beamforming mic with AI noise reduction. And here is my voice using the mic na may turbo fan dito sa tabi. At ito naman yung wala. So, mas magiging cool ka sa comms kung ito yung gagamitin mo. And aside from those cool features, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko, it has longer battery life. For the Lightspeed, here's the compatibility system requirements. You can go to my profile, click the link, find the Logitech G325 Lightspeed para ma-route ka sa official website. And let me know kung may mga tanong pa kayo sa cool na headphones na to or kung may mga gusto pa kayong i-review natin. And don't forget to follow for more amazing and quality videos.